Welcome to Stockmakers YouTube channel. In this video, we analyze four stocks: Muthoot Finance Corporation, Manappuram Finance, Chola Fin, SR Transport Finance. These four stocks, I'm going to give you technical levels, targets for 1 week, 1 month, and long-term perspective also. Please watch this video till end so that you will understand where to enter, where to exit, which are the important levels for these four stocks, which will make money almost 70, 80, 90, 100% accuracy. So believe in me, when you watch my video, you will feel worth watching my video. And I'm going to give you very important levels for these stocks. Before that, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and subscribe to Telegram channel. So let's get into analysis of the SR Transport Finance. SR Transport Finance is trading in very narrow range. The stock is trading at 698 700 range since last 1 week, and the stock did not able to cross uh, its 200-day moving average, that is 900. As we know, NBFC sectors, banks, everything is out underperforming because SR Transport Finance is into transport finance. In this pandemic, vehicle sales are not that much good, so that took heavy commercial vehicles. So SR Transport Finance is into heavy commercial vehicle selling, and so that's why the reason for the stock is underperforming is not able to do business perfectly. So this stock, if goes to 700 level, it faces toughest resistance. Crossing 750 level would definitely will reach 900 level in coming days. But I don't think the market is when going up from market came from 9,000 level, 8,500 levels in the May to July. This stock did not able to perform good in the stock market rally. So we should think that the stock did not have any interest from the investors. This something might be bad financials. So we should not also look at the technicals. Also, we should also think about the business of the company when we are investing or when we are trading. So the stock did not performing rally in means the stock do not have any strong fundamentals. So stock likely to fall to 550 level in coming days. If if it is able to come to 550 level, that is a good investable area for the long term. This is for the long term. For 1 week or one day, there is no much activity. You will be, if you are trading for the 1 or 2 days gains, I think the stock will touch at 772 level. That is a good shot. If stock comes to 690 695 level for the Monday, that is a good buy. If breaking 690 level, the stock will come down to 670 level, and subsequently it will come to 650 level. So for the next 1 week, the stock will trade at 650 700 range. 700 range is short, 650 is a buy. So next is Chola Financial. So Chola Financial is actually performed very good. Stock traded in the narrow range for the April month, May and June, and in mid of the June, when the markets started going up, it broke 10,000 level Nifty. The stock, from 150 level to 240 level, it went up, but the 244 level was a 200-day moving average. This is green line, and red line is a 150 days moving 50 days moving average. So 50 days moving average is considered to be very important moving average for the stock market. If the stock able to sustain above 50 days moving average, you can buy as long as it is moving, so keeping your stop loss at 150. So where is your stop loss now? It is at 150, and the stock comes to 180 level. Definitely it might touch 180 level in coming 1 week. So watch out for the 180 level, and if did not able to break 180, definitely that will take a retracement back to 210 200 level, which will give you to buy for the future for 220 rupee, 20 or 30 rupees profit target. If it breaks 183 level, then definitely we might get back to 150 level, but I don't think so Chola Financial will performing that much bad. Definitely it is a long term trend is going to be bullish, because we almost reaching to peak level of the pandemic, and world leaders globally, they do not want to exit, they do not want to any shutdowns. So NBFC is already beaten down so much, and the stock is actually 350 range, high level. 350 is the highest level for the stock. So 150 buying price coming to, definitely is a 50% discount you are getting it, so you can invest there. The next stock is Manappuram. These Manappuram Finance and Muthoot Finance. These two stocks, market is continuously going up. These stocks give tremendous returns. You did not believe it or not. These stocks gave just doubled from this March low level. So people who bought it 150 level, I bought this stock it when it moved out of the 50 days moving average, and I exited it almost 200 days moving average. Okay, in my personal portfolio. So 50 days moving average was 109, and it definitely outperformed that stock. But when this stock came to 180 level, that is March February level, it formed a double top. That's why the stock saw some correction. But watch out for 150 level. 150 is a very important level, which is a 200 days and 50 days moving average. I rarely see stocks touching 200-day and 50-day, both moving averages uh, crossing at same level, same price. So 150 is a very smart price. Maybe it will go back to 180 level after touching 150 level, so from Monday. So buy at 150 with the keeping stop loss of 145 for the long term. Okay, for long term means even if you can go for the swing trading for next 1 week or two weeks, because correction from 180 level to 150 level is a good bet. People, investors will look at the stock as a cheap stock, because uh, not only when I'm talking about the one stock, I don't want to give you complete technical. I will compare it with it will with the peers also. So Muthoot Finance is a smart stock which almost gave three times from 500 to 1400 level. At one side, Manappuram is a gold loan company, Muthoot is a gold loan company, but Manappuram only doubled investors' money, but Muthoot gave 2x, 3x returns. So any stock which is going above 200 days, 50 days moving average will retrace back to its level. So this stock entry price would be for me is 1079, and from that level to 200 days moving average level, 50 days moving average level, it might go back to its all time high again. If sustaining above 50 days moving average is bullish, sustaining below 50 days will touch 825 again if something bad happened. All the rally came to this stock because of the gold price going up. When gold price going up, people will get more money for the gold they hold. So this company able to give more loans to people, and they earn more interest. And if I saw the financials, I'm not giving here, but the stock net profit from the last year to this year doubled last quarter. So that is a very good sign, people who are looking at the fundamentals also. So long term bet is trend intact is there. 1079 is a buy price. Okay, so I will short this stock with the keeping stop loss of 1400 for this target of 1079 for the next 1 week. So hope you like this video, friends, and I am welcoming your views, comments on my analysis. I welcome negative comments, positive comments, whatever it is. And I have been giving very good calls to my Telegram members, and I have a premium group advisors where I give a rock solid calls to make money in stock market. If you look at on uh, 29th July, I gave Reddy's Laboratories call it buy 160 price, and you know now the price is 500 level. I gave that the stock will go to target 500 in 1 week. Within 2 days, the stock came to 500 level, 4500 level. Okay, so this is about my Telegram channel performance. Thank you very much for watching video. Bye.